Hello, and welcome to Wyred Americas. We're so pleased you've joined us. From Santa Barbara to Tokyo, we have a global supplier representation to meet with buyers from across the Americas. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you all. In a few minutes, your meetings will begin. But before they do so, I just wanted to give you a couple of details into today. First is that your meetings are 15 minutes long with a 5-minute break between each meeting. Please keep track of the time so you're not late to your next meeting. Halfway through the event, there's a 20-minute break. This is for you to stretch your legs, get a cup of tea, and to reset for your next meetings. Finally, after all of your meetings are over, there's an opportunity to join our social lounge, which is our networking hour. In order to join the social lounge, simply go on the left-hand side of your navigation, click Social Lounge, and add your email address and name and a password. When you're in the social lounge, please add a photo and buyer or supplier at the end of your name. This will allow us to easily identify you. When you join a seat, allow your microphone and your camera so that we can see you and join in conversation. Also, our team is there on hand to support any technical queries that you have. To learn more about how to access your schedule, rate your meetings, or contact our team, please continue to watch. Until then, have a fantastic set of meetings, and we will see you later. Enjoy the event.
Welcome to our digital networking platform tutorial. In this video, you'll find some useful tips that will help make the event a success for you. We'll be showing you how to access your meetings schedule, how to attend your meetings at the event, how to rate your meetings, how to use the social lounge, what to do if you have questions for our team. Let's start with the basics. First things first, you'll want to enter the platform and check out your meetings schedule. You should have already received an email from us with a link to the platform, which you'll need to click to gain access. Once you're in, the first thing you'll see is the platform's homepage. This is where you'll find everything you need for the event. On the left-hand menu is the My Schedule tab. This is where you can find your full schedule of meetings. Remember, each virtual meeting room opens 5 minutes before the meeting is due to start. Ready to join a meeting? Simply head to My Schedule, find your upcoming meeting, and click the Open Virtual Meeting Room button. This will take you directly into the meeting. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll find information about the person you're meeting with. You can also send them instant messages by using the live chat function. Once your meeting is over, remember to rate it. There are 2 ways for you to rate your meetings. After your meeting partner leaves the virtual meeting room, you'll be able to rate your meeting on the right-hand side of your screen where your live chat used to be. To rate any previous meetings, simply click Load Previous Sessions to scroll through past meetings. When you find the meeting you want to rate, click the Virtual Meeting button, and your rating box will be on the right-hand side of the page. Rating your meetings is easy to do. Simply click Good, Bad, or Didn't Happen, and provide a reason for your feedback. Your ratings are always confidential. Not quite ready to wrap your meeting up? You can continue your conversation using the live chat function. Your meeting partner will be added to your connections automatically, so you can find them quickly and easily. When your full schedule of meetings is done, why not join everyone in the social lounge for the networking hour? This is the perfect way to say hello to other attendees or continue chatting with people you already know. You can access the social lounge by clicking the Social Lounge tab in the left-hand menu. If you need us at any time throughout the event, we're on hand to help. You can instantly ask our event team any questions by clicking the live chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Or WhatsApp us by following this QR code. So now you know all about the networking platform.